Fix Vencord not working. Themes and plugins fix Vencord stop working. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to fix Vencord in your Discord application when it's not working. So without further ado, let us begin. So if you're having problems with Vencord on your Discord application, what you want to do is to just exit out of Discord, go to this arrow right here to show the hidden icons. And then from here, what you want to do is to just right click on your Discord and then just click on quit Discord. And then what you want to do is to install the Vencord setup.exe. So just open up your Google web browser and then just search up for Vencord. So just search up for Vencord on your Google web browser and then just click on download right here. And then just reinstall the Vencord installer.exe. And then after that, what you want to do is to open up the installer. And then from here, what you want to do is to just click on the Discord that you are using. So if you're using Discord Canary, click on that. If you're using the regular or stable version of Discord, just click on this. And then if you have a different folder for your Discord application, just click on custom install location and then just input the location right here. And then after that, after choosing the location of your Discord, just click on reinstall/repair. So just click on that and then there you go. So just click on OK. It says right here, if Discord is still open, fully close it first, then start it and verify Vencord installed successfully by looking for its category in Discord settings. So just click on OK. And then after that, just open up Discord and check if Vencord is fixed. So I'll just open up Discord. And then let's just go to settings. And then you would see right here that there is now a Vencord section in my Discord right here. So we can access Vencord, the plugins, the themes, the updater, the cloud, and backup and restore. So yeah, it's now fixed. But I'll be also providing another way if it doesn't work. So let's just exit out of Discord again. Right click Discord, quit Discord again fully. And then after that, what you want to do now is just open up the Vencord installer again and then just uninstall Vencord from your Discord application. So just click on uninstall right there and then there you go. It says successfully unpatched. If Discord is still open, fully close it first, then start it again. So it should be back to stock. So after uninstalling Vencord on your Discord application, what you want to do now is just go to your Windows icon right here or your start icon, right click and then just click on run. And then after that, what you want to do is to type in %appdata%. Then after that, just click on OK. And then after that, what you want to do is to just look for your Discord folder. So it's this one right here if you're using the stable Discord version, but if you're using other Discord versions like Discord Canary, use this one right here. So for me, I am using Discord Canary, so I'll just click on that. And then after that, what you want to do is to delete all cache that you would see. So cache right here, delete that. Code cache, delete that. Dawn cache, delete that. Dawn graphite cache, delete that. Dawn web GPU cache, delete that as well. So yeah, basically just delete all the folders that have the word cache on it. Also this one right here, GPU cache. And then just make sure that all kinds of folders that have cache in their name are deleted. And then after that, what we want to do now is to uninstall Discord. So just go to your search bar right here and then just search for remove or add programs, open that up. And then from here, what you want to do now is to just look for your Discord application. So you could just go right here in the search bar and then just type in Discord. So since I'll be uninstalling Discord Canary, so I'll be using this one. But if you're using regular Discord or stable Discord, use this one right here. So I'll just click on the three dots right here that says more options and then just click on uninstall. Click on uninstall again and then there you go. So when I search up for Discord Canaries, you can see it's now gone. So what we need to do now is to just reinstall Discord. So just search up for Discord on your web browser, or if you're using Discord Canary, just search up for Discord Canary. And then after that, click on the link. And then just click on download right here for Windows and then just wait for the installer to finish. And then once it's done, just open up the Discord installer. After opening up the installer, Discord Canary or your Discord will now start installing, so just wait for that to finish. And then there you go, Discord Canary is now installed. So what we need to do now is just open up the Vencord browser again, but the first thing that we need to do is just exit out Discord Canary first. Let's just wait for this to finish. So once Discord Canary is open, just exit out and then just close it again. Just quit Discord, and then after that, just open up the Vencord installer again, and then just input the location of your Discord that you have downloaded. So again, just choose from these three right here. So if you're using Canary, choose this one. Stable, choose this one. Or if you have a custom location, just choose this one. And then after that, just click on install Vencord again. So just click on install, and then there you go, successfully patched. And then after that, just open up your Discord or Discord Canary, and then just go to user settings to check if Vencord is installed. And then as you can see over here, Vencord is now installed again. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to fix Vencord when it's not working. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.